What is going on, guys? So, I'll give you a rundown of what's been going on. I laid down at 5 p.m., take a nap, and woke up 1:30 in the morning. I have to be at work at 9:30. So, I figured, since I'm awake, might as well do some road cruising at night, because it's been raining all day, and just finally had a second where it kind of stopped. It's supposed to start back up around like 4-ish, so I need to go to Walmart anyway to get some coffee creamer, so I figured I'd check the roads and see if we can find road cruising. We haven't road cruised yet, really, like intentionally just made a video for road cruising, so figured what better time to do it than now. It's a perfect opportunity, so let's hit the roads. So far, I'm not seeing anything yet, but which is actually kind of surprising. Seen a few DOR frogs, down the road frogs, but nothing alive yet. Oh, what's that? That would be a leaf. That would be a leaf. Nice. Okay, our first frog of the day. I just saw him jump into the road, otherwise I never would have seen him. It appears to be a Cope's gray tree frog. I try to get this guy off the road. That is still really, really cool. He's so pretty. Man, he's pretty. Alright, buddy, gotta get off the road. Come on, come on. Go. Come on. Alright, there you go. Okay, there you go. Now you're safe. Now you're safe. Well, we got one. That's good. Let's see what else we can get. Alright, so the rain just picked up. I got back to the house and there wasn't hardly anything out there except for that Cope's gray tree frog. But the rain started picking up and I cleared off my GoPro and I was about to hit it up, and then I really started thinking and decided instead I wanted to make this segment of the video, which is some tips, some pointers for you guys, road cruising, especially at night, especially in the rain. So if you're looking for more herps that I found on road cruising, go ahead and click off the video if that's all you're on here for, because there are no more. It's just me talking about some good facts and pointers and heads up on really road cruising at night, or road cruising in general, safety tips, kind of. So, if you're wanting to hear that, then stay on the video. If you're not, then go ahead and click off. You're not going to hurt my feelings. But I'm deciding against it simply because this little stretch outside here on my road, there are people that fly down that thing at 67. It's ridiculous. 60, 70 miles an hour. Like, they just zip right past down there, even in the rain, at night. It doesn't matter. They don't care. And to me, I don't personally feel comfortable going out there and just putting on my hazards, driving down the road at night in the rain when visibility is not that great at like 50 miles an hour, you know what I mean? And then stopping and getting out of my car to go find a herp. Like, if I had somebody with me, then I feel a lot more comfortable doing that. But it's just me. So if I'm filming a herp, then I keep my eyes and ears out, listening for a car coming or seeing if a car is coming. And if I don't, and it's one of those idiots that's zipping down the road, then that's a recipe for a really bad situation. And it's really, to me, it's not worth it just to try to make a video. So, I would say some pointers on road cruising, because I'm kind of new to it too. I know I'll get more comfortable with it, because I don't road cruise a lot, especially at night and in the rain. I hate driving at night and in the rain. So, there's that. But, I would say some tips and pointers would be, know your roadways. Like, I know there are some spots around here that are kind of up in the mountains where no one really goes ever that would be great for road cruising at night, but I haven't really personally put in the time and effort into researching that out. I'm going to, because I do want to get some road cruising videos for you guys out for sure, but I haven't really personally done my research on that, so I'm going to drive all that way just to do all that stuff when I don't really have, my wits about me on everything that's going on. I'd say research your roads, know what roads people are not on, at certain times of day, so you're going to be safe. You don't really have to worry about that car zipping around the corner. I'd say personally, if you're road cruising and there's a blind curve and you find a herp, just get out and move it. If it's a turtle or something like that, like get out and move it if you want to, but be quick about it. Don't stop and take your time with it or anything else like that, because those blind curves are really dangerous as well. So road cruising is fun. It really is fun. Saving the herps from getting run over by cars, obviously we all want to do that, but be safe about doing it. Because like I said, tonight, especially me road cruising it tonight with the rain coming down the way it is right now, and this road, the way people zip it up and down it, it's just not a good idea for me to do. It's not safe. It really isn't. Like I said, if I had somebody else with me, I'd feel more safe about doing it, but I don't. It's just me. So anyway, just a few pointers, tips for the road cruising things. I am going to be trying to do more of these road cruising videos in the future, especially where it's going to be getting hot, July and August and June, because all the herps, like I know rattlesnakes and timber rattlesnakes and copperheads become more nocturnal around those times, so road cruising and herping at night becomes a lot better. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of that, trying to at least. So yeah, anyway, sorry that it's just that one herp, but still, that one herp, it's pretty cool to find. But anyway guys, I love you all. Sorry if you're disappointed with this video, but you know, you guys know I'll have more better videos coming out. But these tips and pointers helped y'all out. Let me know. Give this video a like, subscribe if you're brand new, and let me know in the comments how you road cruise. Like me personally, I drive like 10-15 miles an hour and I just hit my hazards and I just coast. That's what I do. But I know some people do it differently. So let me know in the comments how you road cruise. Do you put your hazards on? Do you just go like 20 miles an hour? Like what speeds you usually go? What time of day do you usually hit it up? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see what you guys have to say. But I'm going to jump off here and yeah, I guess go to work in like 6 hours. I can't believe I'm still awake. That nap got way out of hand. I love y'all. I'll see you tomorrow.